Hi, my name is Steve Mixon. I'm one of the partners here at Miller & Mixon. Bruce and I built this firm to be client-centered from the start. We planned intentionally to be something very different. Everything from the ground up was built with you, the client, in mind. We wanted to cultivate the type of client relationships that small-town lawyers and clients used to have in the past. We both believed that if we really spent the time to investigate a case, that we would find the right evidence to help you win your case and get you the results that you and your family deserve. I grew up in Greenville, South Carolina, in a family of lawyers. My dad was a lawyer. I have two uncles who were lawyers, and I've got two brothers who were lawyers. My friends often joked about what it must have been like playing Monopoly at my house when I grew up. I guess it could get a little competitive, but one thing that I knew for sure is that as an attorney, you have an opportunity to provide expertise to people when they're in crisis and when they need your experience the most. I remember as a child, people coming up to me and telling me about how my dad or one of the lawyers in his firm had given them advice that had profoundly impacted their life. Sometimes their business had been saved. They hadn't been falsely sent to jail, or they had avoided financial catastrophe by heeding his advice. Growing up with such comments, I knew from my very first memory that I wanted to be a lawyer, and I wanted to practice law in such a way that people would come up to my children one day and make the same types of comments about me as people had made about my dad. From the time I could drive, I began working with my father at his law firm, and I continued to work at his firm throughout law school and college. Since then, I've gotten married and I've built a home here in Atlanta. My father isn't with us anymore, but I know that he would be proud of the practice that I've built. Here at Miller & Mixon, we would be honored to investigate your case. Call us right now.